Do you want to organize your YouTube content so that your viewers can remain on your channel for longer periods? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a playlist that will solve the problem. I'll show you how to create a playlist on YouTube, and I'll show you the step-by-step procedure to create it, even if you are new. It won't be a difficult thing at all. Even if you are using your phone or you're using your PC, I'm going to make it so easy for you. So let's dive in. Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you're an OG, thanks for always stopping by. Thank you so much. Let's dive into this video. Yeah. Okay, you may ask, why playlists? Why do we have to create a playlist? Playlist does more than just grouping your videos in one piece, but playlists have several more benefits. All right. So how is playlist helpful? Playlists help your viewers stick to your channel longer. For instance, a viewer just finished watching a particular video and then the playlist is connected to the next video. So you see your viewers stuck on your channel until they are done with it. So it keeps your channel busy, keeps your viewers glued to your channel. Also, playlists help your videos be recommended or recommend the other videos to your viewers. So you have to like pop up there, but once they have watched one of your videos, the playlist will just recommend the next one to them and they will automatically watch it. And then what does this lead to? This leads to more watch hours. We have some younger YouTubers looking for watch hour. So if you have not organized or created a playlist, you need to do that immediately because it also boosts your watch hours. Imagine somebody glued to your screen, glued to your channel for like minutes and hours because you have playlists that is piled up and they're all interested and connected in one way or the other. So it also boosts your watch hours. Yeah. Finally, playlists make your channel look more professional, you know. It gives that professional look and it can also make your viewers want to stay longer in your channel, right? So let's dive into my YouTube studio, or let's do a screen record so that I can show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a playlist. Okay, so if you found value in this, if you have learned something, please don't fail to like this video, comment and share, and tell me in the comments that you are going to create that playlist. Do you know that you can even create and remove from an existing playlist? So it's important you do all that. So see you in the next video. Bye. All right, so let's quickly head over to what we're going to be doing today. So I just outline them. In these tutorials, you're going to be learning how to create a playlist, a new playlist, how to add video to your new playlist, how to remove videos from playlists, and tips for using playlists to grow. So let's quickly head over to the very first method. That's so simple, so simple. So you just go to your YouTube app, you click on you because you already have a channel. Now look at this plus sign here. After the playlist, you are seeing a plus sign towards the mid of the screen. Just click on the plus sign. And what do you see there? You have new playlist. So what are you supposed to do? Just choose a title. Let's say my best videos, right? That's the title I'm giving it. You can give any title of your choice. It's very easy. Now you go to visibility. We're seeing private there. No, we don't want private. So you take it to public. Yeah. And then that's it. We're not doing any collaboration. So the next is just to click on create. And voila, it's created. That's the very first step. It's very simple. Very, very simple. Beginner can do that. So the next method is to go to Chrome browser, you click on studio.youtube.com, Yeah, then you log in. When you log in, towards the right top corner of your of the interface, you have where we call the create. Look at the top here, create. Click on create. We have upload ideas, we have go live, we have create post, new playlist. So you just click on new playlist. Yeah, the same thing will happen here. Here you add your title. If you want to add any description, you add your description. Then you add your visibility. Okay, that's all right, so that's it. Then once you are done, always remember to click on create. That's the second method. We are done with that. It's as easy as ABC. All right, so now let's assume that we have created the playlist. Let me go back to my, so now you click on your playlist. Let's say you have some videos you have not added to your playlist. So what do? You come to any of your videos. These are my videos here. You come to any of your videos and click on the three, let's say three buttons or three dots. These vertical dots here you see here. So you click on it. So you check where you have save to playlist. So right now we're talking about how you can add your video to your playlist. You have save to playlist. I already have this particular video saved to one playlist. I can save it to another playlist just by clicking on. So look at the playlist we just created, my best videos. Once I click on it, I've added it. Then the next is to click on done. See, it's very, very easy. That's it. So now let's assume that I don't want to add it to that playlist. I just go and unclick it. And that's it. Click on done. Remember to always click on done, right? Because if you don't click on done, every activity you have done will be in vain. Okay, so I've looked at how to create a playlist, how to add videos to your new playlist, then how to remove videos from playlists. There are other methods, but you just need these two for now. Then there are some tips now. Tips for using playlists to grow. Why do we create playlists? Why is playlist so important for every creator? Playlists help you group related videos together. For example, YouTube tips may have different types of videos. Maybe on YouTube tips, or maybe you have some videos on vlogs, you have some videos for beginner series, you have some videos for motivation. So it helps you to group your related videos together. So if somebody's interested in a particular uh, type of video, once the person clicks on that playlist, the viewer can really be satisfied. Another way you can use playlist is to add it to your channel homepage. For instance, when if there are some beginning videos there in your channel homepage, just add your, instead of just putting a video, it's better you just add your playlist there so that anybody that clicks on that playlist can watch more videos. The third way to use your playlist is to use them in your end screens. That particular video that shows up at the end of your video, if you choose to add a playlist there, the playlist will play and it will give you more watch time, much more watch time, yeah, and people will remain in your video instead of just clicking and then just going to another video. So add it, make playlist your end screen. Yes, it has very good advantage, right? I hope that helps. Okay, so start using playlist today and turn your channel into a binge-worthy experience. All right? Let me know in the comments, do you already use playlists or is this your first time? If this helped, give it a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a fellow creator, and hit that subscribe button for more YouTube tips. Bye.